In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable pop-ups in Mozilla Firefox, the quick and easy way. This is a really useful setting if you want to block annoying pop-up windows while browsing, and it only takes a few seconds to turn on. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the upper right corner of the window and click the menu button. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines, and it opens the main Firefox menu. From here, click Settings. That will take you into the Browser Settings page, where you can control privacy, permissions, and other useful browsing options. Now that you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Permissions section. This is where Firefox keeps controls for things like location access, camera permissions, notifications, and pop-up behavior. Look carefully for the option labeled Block Pop-up Windows. Next to it, you should see a checkbox. Click that checkbox to tick it and make sure pop-up windows are blocked. Once that box is checked, Firefox will automatically stop most pop-up windows from appearing while you browse. This can help make websites feel cleaner, faster, and less distracting. It can also improve your browsing experience if you're tired of constant ads or unwanted new windows opening in the background. If you ever need to allow pop-ups for a specific website later, you can come back to this same settings menu and adjust the permission again. But for most people, keeping block pop-up windows enabled is the best choice for a safer, smoother browsing experience. And that's it. You've now disabled pop-ups in Mozilla Firefox. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.